This is the E minor chord. Hi there, my name is Tom Fontana from TheGuitarLesson.com, here to teach you the E minor chord. So the E minor is a very simple chord. You just need to put your second finger onto the second fret of the A string, and your third finger goes right below that. Very similar to the E major, of course, with the exception of your first finger not holding down this string right here. Now, whenever you learn a chord, you'll want to pluck out each string one by one to make sure that there are no dead notes, or you don't hear anything buzzing, because you don't want that. And in case you do, here are a few tips. Just make sure your fingers are arched up like this, so they should be perpendicular to the fretboard. Your fingers are up against the metal fret wire right there, as far as they can come, and that you're not muting that string right there, because if you are, you'll get that. You want to be able to hear that note clearly, okay? Alright, good job, guys. So let's just practice this chord a bit by using the chord on, chord off technique. So hold down your E minor, strum, take your fingers off, wiggle them around a bit, and go back into the chord shape. So your aim with this exercise is to develop your hands muscle memory, so that you don't really need to search for which string or which fret to go to. You can just put your fingers down and they'll go to the given frets and the given strings. And of course, this doesn't happen right away. This won't happen on day one, but you'll get there, trust me. Everyone goes through the learning process. Just practice it a lot, practice it every day basically, and you'll get it very, very soon, okay? Now let's practice the E minor by using it in real music. So we'll just have a two-chord chord progression, the E minor and the G major. That's a chord change which you'll find on lots of songs, okay? So E minor, G major, E minor, G major. And let's add our trusty down, down, up, down, up strumming pattern. And that's how you play the E minor.